That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome to today's Casual Friday video. I have something really special for myself, but hopefully me sharing it with you guys, you'll be just as excited as I am. Today I am finally going to set up my desk. I ordered it off Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description box for you guys, but I bought it upstairs and I'm going to take out the playpen. If you're not new here, then you know that I have Logan's paper. I'll turn the camera around for you guys so you can see. Okay, so like I was saying, I have her playpen. These things will get switched around or moved somewhere else. I did have my room relatively clean in here, but Lucas has been up here playing, so I'm gonna tackle that too. But like I said, I'm gonna get that downstairs to the living room, put the desk together and the chair, and yeah, that's the plan. So if you're interested in watching me put my desk together and my chair, keep on watching. And if you are new here and you enjoy this video, please make sure you don't leave without giving it a big thumbs up and subscribing for more content. So let's get started.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I miss you.
Alright, so Sugarfoot finally got the playpen downstairs, and I'm gonna just clean up in the area just a little bit, put some things away so that I can get started with putting this desk together. And little mama just wanting to say, hey, good people. Yes, no? We still working on it, y'all.
For a lifetime underneath the moonlight, 'cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine in a world so full of pain. Can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah.
Just a little update on what's going on. I got the little top tier piece finished, and this is what the instruction book looks like. So I'm gonna try to put some legs on. I think that's my next step, but we'll see how that goes.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living
So Sugarfoot about to stand it up. You gonna stand it up for me, babe? I did all the heavy
She
lifting.
did all the work.
I did good. You proud of me, babe?
We're about to see.
Oh, we about to see. You. Oh my God, I love it
Oh
already.
yeah.
We gotta take that big old B off.
Big old bee.
And it fits. Y'all, I didn't even like measure it when I bought it. I just knew that it was gonna fit where I had that pack and play. You excited, boo boo? Look at mommy's new desk. Okay, well anyway, here's a better view of the desk. I'm just gonna tidy up. I got my little helpers here helping me out. Okay, so I'm going to have this chair linked down in the description too, but I just wanted y'all to know that it came already put together, like the legs to the chair. And when I watched the video on Amazon, it wasn't together like this. It came individually pieced, like you would have had to screw everything in yourself. So all I have to do is put this on this and I should be done.
All you have to do is open the chair.
No, don't do that. That's dangerous. Give me that. Thank you. Okay, so it looks really good. I'm really excited about it. I have just a few things that I got from Target that I'm going to put on the desk along with my laptop. So I'm going to show you everything that I got yesterday. So yesterday I found this little miniature lamp. It has a brass gold look and like a linen lampshade or whatever, and it was only $10. I found this little plant for like, I think it was like maybe like $4. It could have been $3, but it's so cute. Obviously it's full. It's a fake little plant. And I got some highlighters, and I found this little pencil holder, little basket. Not really sure how much that was, but I know it wasn't expensive because I wouldn't have bought it. But anyway, so I'm gonna incorporate those things. I also want to see if my printer will fit on the desk, so let's get started with the decorating.
Let's go. Are you ready? You've been staring since I came in. I know you wanna get to know me. But honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, baby, I have thick skin. Yeah, I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Think you're messing with the wrong girl. I bring the thunder, haven't you heard? But honestly, I just wanna dance with my girls here tonight. No man by our sides. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer.
Okay, so this is how everything is looking. Very simple, minimalistic, and I think that it turned out great. I did add this little throw blanket that I used one time on my bed, but let me just give you a full look at it. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. I'm just really proud of myself. Everything is as I envisioned it when I was looking for a desk. I really wanted something two-tiered, and I found it on Amazon. Like I said, I'll have everything linked. I'm gonna turn off the light soon, and so you can see that lamp very clearly. Daylight, well, it's still light outside, so you really can't tell it as much, but it still looks really pretty with just that lamp on. Oh, I love it so much. And like I said, all of the mini lamps at Target were $10. So if you're on the market for a tiny lamp, make sure you check out Target while they last. So a little bit about the desk itself. It was really simple to put together. I think it probably took me a little bit longer than, I don't know, it could have been 45 minutes to an hour to get the desk put together, but I was also taking care of Logan. But anyway, what else? I really just wanted a desk because I was always doing all of my editing in bed, and it was just causing problems for my back and everything. So hopefully now that I have this, it will make my long editing nights a little bit easier for me. But yeah, I really love it. Make sure you're giving this video a big thumbs up. Give me your thoughts in the comments on what you think. Did I do a good job? Would you buy this? If you are a minimalistic person like me, this is going to be something that you are going to be interested in. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot to add my planner here. If you are new here, then you've probably missed that video where I purchased this off of Etsy and I shared it with you guys. And it is personalized. It says DNICEANDFAM, chairwoman. So yeah, oh my god, y'all. Ah, it looks so good. I'm so excited. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this Casual Friday video. I really just wanted to get my desk put together, and I didn't want it to be a whole smoke and mirror type video. I just wanted to show you guys my family, and we accomplished this together. Like, I did need some help. I got Sugarfoot to help me with the playpen, and we got that downstairs. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my video for Monday. And if you enjoyed just hanging out with us today and you just had a little bit of fun, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.
I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me.